Now, one of the popular ways to make money online is with day trading. You'll see sometimes these people promoting day trading, etc., and that's supposedly how they bought their 15 cars. No, it's not. It's drug money or courses money. And there's nothing wrong with selling courses. I sell courses. I make content to sell you my course. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you, because it's the best business model. You get 90 to 96% in profit. So you should be selling online courses too. And you can sell online courses about so many different things. But the thing I would advise you to sell a course on is something that you have a lot of knowledge in or something that you're really passionate about. And the reason why I sell how to make money courses is because my whole life, I was just wanting to make more money. That was pretty much not my only ambition. That's not true. Like, I really wanted to get jacked at also fitness, etc. But I didn't want to build a business based on how I look. Because let's say I lost my muscle, got injured, which I couldn't work out for 7 months recently, then my credibility is gone pretty much. So I did not want to build a business based on my body or how I look. I wanted to build a business based on what I know. And so at first I did services, etc. Fucking hated it, made some money with it. And then I transitioned to courses, high ticket, and then lower ticket. And that's how I made my money. So that's what I help people to do, because I'm not going to teach people how to do some fucking day trading. First, day trading, you can't teach that. You know why? Because day trading is fucking gambling. And you're going to be competing with BlackRock and all the robot traders. Like, they're going to fuck you. You can't spend 24 hours a day looking at the charts, the robot can. So day trading is literally just gambling. Anybody who tells you, oh, I can show you how to day trade, they're fucking lying to you. It is gambling. For that reason, I'm going to put it in D tier. If you just want to lose some money, sure, go and do some day trading. Just go and do some research. Look at the stats. Most day traders lose a fuck ton of money. And it's not like, oh, most people don't make money in business or they don't succeed. No, it's not the same thing. You put some money in, you lose your fucking money. And you can't really do anything. It's gambling. Now, again, I'll tell you again and again, the best way to make money online is to sell digital products. And by digital products, I mean online courses. High ticket, mid ticket, or low ticket. But either way, sell an online course. If you want me to show you step by step how you too can start making money from digital products, how to create your digital product quickly, which one to pick in the first place, and the only two things you need to do to get some sales as quickly as possible, get your 7-day free trial from my program/community. The link is in the description below. With that said, I'll see you inside the community.